In this video, we're going to learn how to look up data in Excel using the combination of index and match functions. So I have a table here, and first column is type of devices. And these are the numbers for October, number of devices, and these are the number of devices for November. So I have another type of devices here, and I want to look up the number of devices for October and November. So in this case, we can use index match. So to use index match, we need to we need to use index first. And array is basically the table. And we need to lock the range here. So F4. And then for the row number, we're going to use the match function. So match function is, so it's looking for the lookup value. So the lookup value is this. And I want to be able to lock the column. Yeah. And the lookup array is this. I want to also lock this range. And I want the exact match, so 0. Okay, and next is the column number. We're going to use the match function for the column number as well. Okay, so column is, the lookup value is October. I want to lock the row. So that's how it should look like. And then we want to select the lookup array. So lookup array is this. And we want to lock the range as well for this reference. And we want to choose the exact match. Okay, so Excel is telling me that I forgot to type the closing parenthesis. So accept the correction. Now we see that we got the number of legacy switches for the month of October. So legacy switches is 234. And if we drag this to column November, we have the correct number as well. And we can actually just drag this all the way down to the last item, and we should have the correct number as well. So SD1 edges is 532. Same here, our formula works as expected. So if we check the number of SD1 edges for the month of October and November, we should see the correct numbers. So 532 for 543. So our formula works as expected. So that's how you can use the combination of index and match to look up data in Excel. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.